Geometry 1, Chapter 1 Test, Skill 8. You should be able to determine an angle measure when given information about other pictured angles. So the first example. If the measure of angle ABD equals 98 degrees, find the measure of angle CBD. So here, in the picture we have point A, B, C, and D, and we're told that this angle right here is 46 degrees. Well, angle ABD is the larger of the angles here. I picture it as three angles. We have the big angle from A to B to D, and then we have two smaller angles, AB to C and CBD. Well, just like with skill 7, this is a very similar idea here, except we are working with angle measures instead of line segment lengths. So here, using the angle addition postulate, we know that the measure of angle ABC plus the measure of angle CBD. That is, if you take one small angle measure and you add to it the other small angle measure, you will get the measure of the entire angle, the measure of angle ABD. We know the measure of angle ABD, that's 98 degrees. And we know the measure of angle ABC is 46 degrees. The measure of angle CBD stays as a variable, the measure of angle CBD, because that's what we're looking for. That's what the question actually asked for. And now this is an equation that we can solve. Subtract 46 from both sides, and you get the measure of angle CBD equals 52 degrees. So here, ABD was the entire angle. That was the big angle, and they gave us one of the small angles. So to get to the other small angle, what they're looking for, you subtract. Now the other way to see this problem, though, is kind of the exact opposite. Here it's find the measure of angle XWY. XWY is the big angle, and what they tell us is they tell us the measure of angle XWZ, which is 10 degrees, and the measure of angle ZWY, which is 30 degrees. Well, again, using the angle measure or angle addition postulate, the measure of angle XWZ plus the measure of angle ZWY equals the measure of angle XWY. That is, adding the two smaller angles together will give us the measure of the big angle. So the measure of angle XWZ is 10 degrees plus 30 degrees, the measure of angle ZWY, and that'll give us the measure of angle XWY, which in this case, 40 degrees is the measure of angle XWY. In this problem, they're asking for the larger angle, and they give us the two smaller angles that build the larger angle. So in that case, since they gave us the two smaller pieces, you add them together.